Okay. Look guys, I've been using CapCut for a while now. Since mobile apps to laptop, I'm not gonna lie, it took me 1 month to learn these two tips, but I'm gonna show you guys in a few minutes so that you could help yourself edit your video from this to this. I would recommend you guys to use CapCut as your main editing software because it's easy to use, free, and it has many features. I'm gonna walk you through two most important influence in editing videos that are very important. One is color grading. Number two is how to remove background noise from your audio. So I'm not gonna hold you long. So let's dive into the tutorial. Remember guys, you got to work with what you got. This is before and after. Number one, color grading. So you need to do open CapCut, then a new project, and after new project, then insert the video that you want to edit. And guys, let me show you guys this before we added any adjust or before we adjust the color. This is the real color, the original color of the video that I recorded. So I don't like it. It sucks. What do you guys think in the comment, guys? It really sucks. Let's go and add some more adjustment of coloring and stuff and make the video look raw. So all we need to do is click adjustment. You know what I mean? Then screw down a little bit. Let's make this. This is the temperature, guys. Temperature of the original video is high, so let it cool down a little bit to 30. See that? That's changed. So screw down a little bit and highlight. And then screw down again. Let's make this 20. See that? Shade. Then screw on the last one. Final one. The final we're gonna make it 15. So that because of highlight and stuff, and I'm wearing the black t-shirt, make the video look good. So this is the result, guys. What do you guys think, guys? Let me know in the comment, guys. I love the result of the adjustment of color of the video, guys. So what do you guys think? It look better, right? And that is how you do color grading of your video. So before we go to tips number 2, how to remove background noise from your audio, guys, let me tell you this. It's not too late to start creating a YouTube channel. Don't compare yourself with the other successful YouTubers that have a beautiful YouTube studio setting and have a DSLR camera and light. All I know, all these successful YouTubers, they started from scratch. Like us, they started with your smartphone, hoping for stuff to get better and better. I recommend you to start your own YouTube channel today by using just your smarphone and your ring light. If you don't have a ring light, it's okay. You can still use your natural light, like a window light, or you can vlog at daytime. Number 2, remove background noise from audio. Please, if you're new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. So let's make some change to the sound. All we need to do is to increase the volume to 13.0. You know what I mean? So that's it. Let's open it. Please, if you're new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and give
No.
Don't you ever forget to reduce noise. As reduce the noise, forget reduce the noise. So screw down. Yep. Let's click right here. There we go. And then let's turn it on. Please, if you're new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. I tried many different editing apps like KineMaster and Adobe, but I can't let CapCut go as many features like all these apps can have, and the other apps they require you to pay, and I'm still beginning, I'm still broke, so that's why I love CapCut. Everything is free 100% for a beginner. Guys, I don't want to hold you long. I thought I would show you how to cut or trim the jump cut out of your videos. It's very important to cut jump cut out so that you're not going to sound like this.
Genesis 1 verse 1. In the beginning, in the beginning, yeah, in the beginning, yeah, in the beginning, in the beginning.
Yes, some way, right? Yeah, you got to cut the jump cut out before you upload your videos on YouTube. So those boring part, you got to trim it out. So your video gonna sound great and look great, and will keep the viewers to watch your video. Guys, let me know in the comment if you guys want me to create a part 2 of this video. There's still a lot of more stuff I didn't show you how to cut the jump cut out of your videos, and adding sound effects, animation, keyframe, and B-roll, and or how to download a free B-roll without copyright. That's all for today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. See you guys on next video. I'm out.